Welcome to KM Autos, your go-to destination for the world's most luxurious cars, jaw-dropping concept vehicles, futuristic machines, and everything that makes a car lover's heart race. Let's take a ride into the world of the 2026 concept Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL, a vision of ultra-luxury, cutting-edge design, and next-level engineering. This isn't just a car. This is art on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL is a concept that breaks the rules and sets new ones. It's not trying to blend in. It's here to redefine what exclusivity and presence mean in the automotive world. At first glance, it doesn't whisper elegance, it shouts royalty. This Roadster is not just beautiful, it's sculpted with obsession. With flowing lines, seamless curves, and an imposing stance, it captures the spirit of classic open-top driving and fuses it with a futuristic identity. The Mythos SL is low, wide, and effortlessly sleek. The front commands attention with a bold Maybach grille that looks like it was carved from pure chrome. It's flanked by ultra-slim digital LED headlamps that give the car a laser-focused expression. The hood stretches long and flat, muscular and sculpted, giving this Roadster a dramatic front-end profile. The windshield is minimal, almost invisible, further enhancing the car's clean silhouette. From the side, the Mythos SL flows like liquid. There are no hard edges, no unnecessary creases. The doors are frameless and hidden in the body, operated by touch-sensitive panels. The massive alloy wheels, finished in Maybach signature chrome, are designed to sparkle with movement. The short rear deck gives the car perfect proportions, maintaining balance and elegance from every angle. Move to the rear and you'll find something extraordinary. The tail is smooth, futuristic, and marked by a single seamless light strip that wraps across the width, forming a unique lighting signature that is instantly recognizable. The absence of a visible spoiler and the minimalist rear diffuser give it a concept car purity rarely seen. The twin exhaust outlets are integrated subtly, reinforcing its performance DNA without disturbing the flow of the design. Now let's talk about power. Though Mercedes has kept the detailed specs under wraps, all signs point toward a high-output powertrain worthy of its Maybach badge. Industry whispers suggest a handcrafted V12 or an advanced hybrid twin-turbocharged V8 producing north of 750 horsepower. With that kind of performance and the lightweight construction borrowed from the AMG SL chassis, the Mythos SL promises acceleration that feels effortless and smooth, launching from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds. But unlike supercars that roar, the Mythos SL glides. This isn't built for the track, it's built for majestic cruising. The ride is expected to be cloud-like thanks to an adaptive suspension system that constantly adjusts to road conditions and driving style. The chassis technology derived from Mercedes-Benz's top-tier platforms ensures complete composure at high speeds and pure comfort at a slow cruise. The car may be a concept, but the engineering behind it is very real, and very advanced. Inside, the 2026 Mythos SL reaches an entirely different level of luxury. Once the butterfly doors open, you step into a cabin that looks like the interior of a private jet. Maybach craftsmanship is on full display. Hand-stitched Napa leather in rich tones, brushed metal inlays, piano black surfaces, and ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin like an art gallery. The seats are sculpted, wide, and designed for true grand touring. They offer heating, ventilation, multiple massage programs, and memory functions tailored for the most demanding passengers. The dashboard is minimal yet high-tech. Instead of clutter, you get one seamless digital interface, floating above the dash like a command center. The MBUX hyperscreen spans from pillar to pillar, blending driver information, entertainment, and vehicle controls into one immersive display. Voice commands, haptic feedback, and AI-powered learning make the interface smarter the more you drive. This car doesn't just respond, it understands. Every inch of the interior is wrapped in silence, thanks to acoustic glass and sound-absorbing panels. But when you want music, the Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers audio so immersive it feels like a private concert hall. Rear passengers, if any, have access to exclusive storage, designer travel bags, and even integrated champagne coolers in select editions. Every detail is built not for speed, but for serenity. The Mythos SL doesn't just look futuristic, it thinks ahead. It comes equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing the car to take over on highways and in traffic conditions while you relax. It features radar-guided cruise control, automatic lane change, remote parking, and a surround view system with augmented reality. The vehicle is smart enough to learn your routes, detect fatigue, adjust temperature and lighting, and even choose your favorite music based on your mood. And let's not forget that this car is more than just one concept. It represents a new Maybach sub-brand of ultra-exclusive models. Mythos is not for the masses. It is designed for a small group of the world's wealthiest collectors. Mercedes has already confirmed that the production model, if greenlit, will be built in extremely limited numbers and only offered to select clients who are already part of the Maybach circle. This is beyond luxury, it's rarity in motion. The 2026 concept Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL is not about competition. It has no rivals. It doesn't care about lap times or 0 to 60 comparisons. It exists to inspire, to symbolize, and to showcase what happens when automotive imagination has no limits. It's a dream built with chrome, carbon fiber, and silk. It's a vision that redefines elegance with innovation. And for those lucky enough to own one, it's more than just a car, it's a legacy. So there you have it, the 2026 concept Mercedes Maybach Mythos SL. A car that represents the future of ultra-luxury, a masterpiece of design and engineering that turns every drive into a work of art. If you love what you've seen, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to KM Autos for more breathtaking concepts and automotive innovation.